Here she is, the famous urban sketcher Pat Southern Pearce. I'm glad to meet her here in Venice, and she allowed us to have a look at her great sketchbook. Go on, that's fine. I absolutely love her sketches. Wow. What type of... how do you do the color? What kind of pens?
These Peter Pauper watercolor crayons.
Wow.
And you put the blue on first, like that, and then that goes on and blends it together.
Great. Your skies are incredible, huh? So may we have a short look at your other sketches?
You may, if I can find them. Yeah. This is a new book. That's one at lunchtime yesterday, but only part finished. Lettering to be added. Very simple. Oh, come on. Where's the... Oh. That was this morning.
That's the right in front.
That's the plaza right in front.
Oh, go there, so we see both. Alright.
That's got glitter pens on.
Glitter pens?
Glitter pens, you can see them shining.
Alright.
And it's going to have lettering here, large lettering, and a big block of black italic writing there. There's a note. That one hasn't got, that's going to have lettering on there. That's a hotel. This was when we were with you, sheltering in from the rain, and that had a wonderful rainy grey sky. And we had to stop to go home because we'd finished. But I've got a photograph. I'm going to try and get the sky in for that. I normally don't work from photographs at all. Oh, that's not. Here we are. That was the other side of St. Mark's Square. By the water, that's the Basilica. And the sun was just going down. And these beautiful trees are milling with people. But if you look, they're just shadowy. I've just suggested them, that's all.
So you need the people like that there now?
Yeah, just sometimes, just a general feel. I've got a big one somewhere close to here. Come on. Ah, that's another one. That was my first morning here. By the jetty, by the water bus station. It was only 7:30 in the morning. So the sun was just rising and the light was just shimmering on the water. I love this.
Pat, thank you very much for showing you your great artwork. Thank you. Bye-bye.
My pleasure. Bye-bye.